Adrian continues to do the checklist and see whether or not we can get the drone off the ground.
I want to get it off of land and get it onto takeoff.
Whoa, you're airborne! This is exciting! Whoa!
That's not as far as I'm going to go.
That's okay, you got it going. So I'm worried about that coming right in at me and crashing.
Woo! We did it! Okay.
This is the inaugural flight of the Mavic Mini with Wake the Fun Up, baby!
Okay, landing. Landing. Aircraft is unstable. Okay, landing. It's gonna take off my head. Land. Aircraft will land. Land in the area.
This is very exciting and scary at the same time.
It is scary. Okay, how do we get it to land? Okay, landing. Okay.
Nobody ever said learning new skills would be easy.
Start landing.
Safe landing, and pilot Adrian Giffen has just completed her first inaugural mini flight.